was in complete anticipation. We finally got the ticket, and right now we are at the dock. And that's MV Coral Queen, our ship to the Little Andaman. That's our ship tonight. We have been following the ferry timings for past 3 months, and we saw that there is a ship every Tuesday night. But unluckily, what happened is that the ship timings, it got rescheduled. Me and Arijit, we decided to take a risk and come to the Haddo jetty from where the ship sails for Little Andaman. We waited there for over 2 hours. Arijit stood there in the queue at the counter for continuous 2 hours, more than 2 hours in fact. And finally we managed to get the tickets for the bunk beds in the ship. The bunk beds usually cost 450 rupees, but anybody who is doing a spot booking, no matter if he or she is an islander or travelers like us, they are charging double the price. It's like the last moment prices that you have to pay. So we bought 2 bunk bed tickets for 1800 rupees. And later on, once we boarded the ship, we talked to the people on board here, the ship crew here, and they said that yes, cabins are available, but in order to upgrade that, you'll have to pay 600 more. Then only you can get a cabin. Initially it was like, yeah, let's just board the ship first, let us be assured that we are going. So we did that, and then we talked to people here, the crew here, and right now we are in our cabin. This is a first class cabin, and it costed us, means given by our extra money that we had to pay, it's 2400 rupees. So I'll definitely give a tour of this ship. It's MV Coral Queen. Stay tuned and watch till the end. quarter to 5 in the morning of 8th of November 2018, and we are about to reach Little Andaman. In fact, I can see it right there, but the port there gets operational from 6 a.m. so our ship needs to keep sailing until then. And you can see that the sun is about to rise and the sky looks beautiful, doesn't it?